Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible. Just got some news come out and I wanted to do a quick video for you guys because it's actually a bit of a double whammy. Well, two bits of good news, really. As you could probably tell by the title, number one, Bank of America is now to allow Bitcoin futures trading. That is huge, huge, huge news. Now, before I get into that, right? There's probably something that we should just take a step back and realize, okay? Because a lot of people are not really talking about this. Great news that, Bank of America will now allow Bitcoin futures trading. That's absolutely fantastic for Bitcoin. Great for the market. More, there's more adoption going on, more banks getting involved. Great. But then you look at it from the flip side. Is that going to cause more manipulation in the market in the future? Are they going to start dumping and pumping the entire market? I mean, this is Bank of America we're talking about. We already see quite a lot of manipulation in the market. What's going to happen now that Bank of America is involved? So don't get me wrong, it is fantastic news. It's great to see that. And obviously, it's bullish. That is at this moment in time is really bullish. But then, you do have to look at the flip side into the future and say to yourself, cool, is there going to be a lot of manipulation going on? Now, this is allowing longs in the market, so future trading for longs. I believe shorts will be allowed in January 2022. So they are making movements. Let's have a quick look at this article here. This has just come out. So Bank of America to allow Bitcoin futures for some clients. Anonymous sources have told CoinDesk that some of Bank of America may already be set up to trade, with more on the way. So the sources for CoinDesk have told that Bank of America is now allowing Bitcoin futures due to the large amount of margin it requires, making it a potentially lucrative business. So, I mean, straight off the back, right, we're seeing already that it's going to be a bit of a business. And you know what businesses would want to do? Businesses will want to make money for themselves. And this is Bank of America that we are talking about. So although it is bullish news right now, looking ahead, it can cause a bit of manipulation in the market. That is a big bank, financial institution getting themselves involved now. And as you know, that first line there, lucrative business. So according to one of the sources, Bank of America will be facilitating the Bitcoin futures with CME contracts. The news has come shortly after it was reported that Bank of America would debut a crypto specific research team in an internal memo. The memo was written by Bank of America's head of global research, Candice Browning, who said that cryptocurrencies are one of the fastest growing tech ecosystems and that Bank of America may be positioned to become a thought leader in the field. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets constitute one of the fastest growing emerging technology ecosystems. We are uniquely positioned to provide thought leaderships due to our strong industry research analysis, market leading global payment platform, and our blockchain expertise. So, what's really good is to see that they are seeing a lot of positives within the crypto market themselves, and they want to be getting themselves in there, and they're not just seeing it due to just money. They do see it as a large growing ecosystem, with technology and everything else as well. The only thing that does concern me is that in the future, are we going to see market manipulation added to it by Bank of America to what we already see sometimes? We have to wait and see, but at the end of the day, this is a very, very big player now entering the market. And they could pretty much do what they want. And if it is just going to be used as a lucrative business, as it said there. So, is what it is. You can kind of look at it two ways. Very bullish because more people getting themselves involved in crypto, more exposure into the world for cryptocurrency. Bank of America and cryptocurrency in the same sentence is extremely bullish for crypto itself, right? So, like I said, you could look at it two ways. And then we move on to the next bit of news. And this was pretty bullish as well, because, again, it's just something else that's increasing the exposure to cryptocurrency. So right here, we have PayPal. They increased their weekly cryptocurrency purchase limit fivefold to $100,000. So previous limit was $20,000. It is now $100,000, which they can buy of Bitcoin and other digital assets. And PayPal is also scrapping its annual purchase limit of $50,000. PayPal first started letting users buy cryptocurrency just nearly a year ago, October 2020, and it was seen as a key set in mainstream adoption of the asset class. So PayPal is upping the amount of cryptocurrencies users can purchase by 5 times. PayPal users can now buy $100,000 worth of Bitcoin and other digital assets per week, up from the previous limit of $20,000, and it's also up their yearly annual purchase limit of $50,000. These changes will enable our customers to have more choice and flexibility in purchasing cryptocurrency on our platform. Jose Fernandez de Ponte, PayPal's vice president and of blockchain, crypto, and digital currencies, said in a statement on Thursday. Thursday. PayPal first started letting users buy cryptocurrencies in October 2020. It later added the capability to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash on its mobile app, Venmo. The product has a $1 spending requirement and lets users share crypto purchases with friends through Venmo's social feed. At the time, the move was seen as a significant step to bringing digital assets to the mainstream buyers and fueled Bitcoin's rally earlier this year. The world's first and largest cryptocurrency has lost roughly half of its value since the all-time high at $60,000 in April. Bitcoin was trading near $31,000 as of Thursday afternoon, while PayPal shares closed more than 1.4% lower. So there you go. Got 2 bits of massive news there to do with Bank of America and PayPal. Now 2 huge players within the digital asset class, guys. So again, we are just going to have to wait and see how things do develop over time. You know, the whole PayPal upping their limit to, $100,000, all that's doing is just allowing people to, hold more digital assets, have more exposure to holding more digital assets. Are PayPal going to establish themselves in the future as some kind of exchange, as some kind of wallet? It would not surprise me if they do take that route. With all of the Binance news going on as well, PayPal are a huge company all over the world. So they've definitely got the roots to start doing something like that. Whether or not they'll do it, we have to wait and see. But it seems like they are taking their time with everything that they're doing. Again, the decision was made for them to allow people to buy cryptocurrency on PayPal from October last year. It's taken them nearly a year to now up the limit, probably because so many people have flooded into the market. Are they getting themselves ready for something else? We don't know. What I mean by that is, are they getting ready because they know something is about to happen in the market? More people are going to start flooding in. Don't know. You got to look at these things in so many different ways with media and cryptocurrency, because we are all manipulated to feel one way, and then so many other things can happen. So again, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. But as of right now, guys, that's good news. Will I come up with some other news in a few hours? I don't know, man. I'm still researching. Let's see what happens. But it does seem like it's good, bad, good, bad, good, bad. Like whether it's bad for Binance and then good for something else, and then bad for something else, then bad for Binance. Do you know what I mean? Like, it does seem like the majority of the bad news is just Binance based right now. But look, who knows? Maybe in a few hours, another country will start talking about the rules and regulations of Binance. It's yet to be seen. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll probably have another update for you guys in a few hours. There's no live stream today, so I'll keep the updates coming for you guys. Please do like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Discord link is in the description below. Please make sure you do join that, and I will see you guys very soon. Take it easy.